Now, may I have the pleasure of introducing our Now Mailan. Players introduction. Amikan Sopra, Kilise, Papna Kurise, Jitise, Hulibi, Ground de Gusina, Kun Mangsu, Papna, Dimak, skill, technique, difficulty so face Kurina, Amikan Gaitu, trophy, Pongjai dia, Mon District ke, Kushi Anidia, itu players kan ke introduce kurule, time lo wala mona se. Therefore, I request each and every one of the team management and players to kindly come up here as I call up the name and show your face. One by one. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Mon District, may I have the pleasure of introducing to you, all of you, our team manager, Mr. Pangai from Tangnu village. Now I have Mr. Tingnik of Lapa Lampong as our official coach. Mr. Kabzai of Chi Village, assistant coach. Dr. Tengli, physiotherapist, was our official physio, but unfortunately she is not with us today. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for the players now. Now we have the first team captain of Mon District, Mr. Sanyem. Mr. Manyem, assistant captain. He is from Zangkam village. Our team captain Sanyem is from Chanloiso village. Now, Mr. Arab of Zangkam village. Again, we have another vice captain, Mr. Amun from Japoka village. Mr. Ichung from Angpang village. Sawa from Jingkao Jingpong. Yangpong from Mohong village. We have Mr. Pangai from Naitong village. Mr. Napan from Sangsa village. Mr. Ating from Jakpang village. Mr. Tingsak from Lapa Lampong. Mr. Manpu from Zangkam. Mr. Manton from Zangkam. Mr. Powang from G Village. Mr. Kaipa from G Village. Mr. David from Yanu Village. Mr. Alai from Tangyu Village. Mr. Pumang from Mungyaksu Village. We have Mr. Lai Wang from Zangkam Village. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now present to you the best goalkeeper of 24th edition of Dr.T Ao Trophy, Mr. Tayo. Itu kan ase, Tiger Pride Trophy ane diya ase, Tiger Pride Khushi ane diya ase. Let us give a big round of applause to them. Thank you so much, team and players. You may get back to your seat.